Oily skin can be a challenge when it comes to makeup, especially finding the right primer that controls shine, minimizes pores, and keeps your makeup intact all day. But don't worry. Today, we're diving into 5 of the best makeup primers for oily skin to help you achieve a flawless finish that stays put. Whether you need something to control oil, blur pores, or offer that perfect base for foundation, we've got you covered with these top products. Let's jump in and find your perfect primer. Kicking off our list at number 1, Benefit POREfessional. The Benefit POREfessional Primer is a cult favorite for a reason. Known for its pore minimizing capabilities, this primer has been a go-to for oily-skinned individuals looking to create a smooth base for their makeup. It provides a velvety smooth finish, blurring imperfections and offering a matte effect without feeling heavy on the skin. With its lightweight formula and easy application, it's no wonder this product continues to top the charts in the beauty world. Key features. The Benefit POREfessional Primer features a lightweight, oil-free formula that's designed to reduce the appearance of pores and fine lines. It is infused with a blend of silica to absorb excess oil, ensuring a matte finish without the greasy feeling. The primer is available in a travel-friendly size, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It's also dermatologist tested and works well for all skin types, though it's especially effective for oily skin. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of the Benefit POREfessional Primer is its pore blurring effect. It creates an instantly smooth canvas, reducing the appearance of pores and creating a flawless base for foundation. Its oil-absorbing properties make it a top choice for oily skin, helping to control shine throughout the day. To use, simply apply a small amount to the T-zone or areas with enlarged pores before applying foundation, and you're good to go. Usability. The POREfessional Primer is easy to apply and blend, offering a seamless experience. The formula feels silky on the skin, and it doesn't leave behind any sticky residue. A little goes a long way, so you don't need to over-apply to see results. It works well with both liquid and powder foundations, making it versatile for all makeup routines. It's also lightweight enough that it won't clog pores, ensuring you can wear it all day without worrying about breakouts. Durability. One of the standout features of this primer is its longevity. Once applied, it helps to control shine and minimize the appearance of pores for hours. It keeps your makeup intact, making it a reliable primer for oily skin that struggles with makeup fading or settling into pores. For those who need their makeup to last all day without touching up, this primer is a lifesaver. In the second spot, we have Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r. Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer is a game-changer for oily skin. This primer is designed to mattify, blur, and smooth the skin, providing the perfect base for long-lasting makeup. Known for its lightweight texture and ability to control oil, it's a favorite among people with oily and combination skin. Whether you're looking to prevent shine or ensure your makeup stays put, this primer has your back. Key features. Fenty Beauty's Pro Filt'r Primer is oil-free and has a soft matte finish, making it perfect for oily skin. The formula is enriched with red algae extract to help balance skin's oil production while keeping it hydrated. This primer is suitable for all skin tones, as it blends effortlessly into the skin without leaving a white cast. It also works to smooth skin texture, minimizing the look of pores and fine lines. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of the Pro Filt'r Primer is its ability to create a soft matte finish without making the skin feel dry. It reduces the appearance of pores and helps control oil throughout the day, ensuring that your makeup stays fresh and flawless. To use, apply a thin layer of the primer to clean skin before applying foundation. It's great for creating an even base and improving the longevity of your makeup. Usability. This primer glides on smoothly and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling soft and non-greasy. It's easy to apply and doesn't require much product to achieve a flawless base. Whether you have oily, combination, or normal skin, it's versatile and works well with different foundation formulations. It's also fragrance-free, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin. Durability. The Pro Filt'r Primer is known for its impressive staying power. It keeps oil in check for hours, helping your makeup to remain matte and smooth throughout the day. Whether you're working long hours or attending an event, this primer will hold up, ensuring you don't need to touch up your makeup constantly. It's an excellent choice for those who struggle with excess oil production and want their makeup to last all day. Coming in at number 3 is the Tatcha The Silk Canvas. Tatcha's The Silk Canvas Protective Primer offers a luxurious, silky finish that smooths skin and creates a flawless base for makeup. Formulated with silk extract and other skin-loving ingredients, it helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors while keeping oil at bay. This primer has a unique, velvety texture that feels like silk on the skin, making it a go-to for oily skin types who also want skincare benefits in their primer. Key features: this primer is infused with a blend of silk extracts, Japanese indigo, and green tea to nourish and protect the skin while providing oil control. It has a velvety, smooth texture that helps to blur imperfections and minimize the appearance of pores. The formula is non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores, and it's free from parabens and sulfates, making it a clean choice for your skincare routine. Benefits and usage: the Silk Canvas Primer is perfect for those who want a mattifying effect without compromising on hydration. It not only controls oil but also offers a protective barrier against pollution and other environmental stressors. It's ideal for creating a smooth, even base that helps foundation apply evenly and last longer. To use, apply a thin layer to the face before makeup for a flawless finish that holds up all day. Usability: the Silk Canvas Primer has a unique, balmy texture that melts into the skin, providing a silky smooth base without any greasy residue. It's easy to blend and a little goes a long way, making it a great investment. While it feels like silk, it doesn't leave the skin feeling heavy, making it suitable for oily skin that still needs moisture. It also works wonderfully with various foundation types, ensuring makeup adheres well. Durability: this primer has impressive longevity, ensuring your makeup stays in place all day. It effectively controls shine and blurs imperfections, maintaining a matte finish for hours. Additionally, it protects the skin from environmental factors, giving it a multifunctional quality that makes it even more worthwhile. It's a reliable primer for oily skin that doesn't need constant reapplication throughout the day. Taking our fourth spot is Faced Hangover. Faced Hangover Primer is a hydrating, oil-free primer that gives your skin a refreshed, radiant glow while controlling oil. Despite its hydration-boosting formula, it is lightweight and designed to keep excess shine in check throughout the day. Perfect for oily skin that still needs a touch of moisture, this primer ensures your makeup looks fresh and flawless without feeling greasy. Key features: the Hangover Primer is packed with coconut water, which helps to hydrate and replenish the skin. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it a clean beauty product. Its lightweight, oil-free formula helps to balance oily skin while giving it a healthy glow. This primer is also cruelty-free and works well with all skin types, making it versatile and skin-friendly. Benefits and usage: the key benefit of the Faced Hangover Primer is its ability to hydrate oily skin without making it greasy. It ensures your skin feels moisturized while controlling oil and providing a smooth base for foundation. To use, apply a small amount to the skin before foundation. It's especially beneficial for those who want to balance hydration and oil control for a more even complexion. Usability: the Hangover Primer has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that feels refreshing on the skin. It absorbs quickly and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth, providing a great base for makeup. It works well with both liquid and powder foundations, offering versatility in your makeup routine. This primer is easy to apply, and a small amount is enough to achieve a smooth and flawless finish. Durability: the Hangover Primer helps makeup last longer while controlling shine throughout the day. Despite its hydrating properties, it doesn't cause oiliness to build up, ensuring your makeup stays matte. It's a great primer for oily skin that needs a balance between hydration and oil control, ensuring you look fresh all day without constantly having to touch up your makeup. And finally, at number 5, we have Hourglass Veil Mineral. The Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer is a luxurious, mineral-based primer designed for those with oily skin looking for a long-lasting, flawless finish. This lightweight primer is oil-free and provides a silky, smooth texture that blurs imperfections and controls shine. Known for its ability to enhance the longevity of makeup, it's a top choice for anyone who wants a beautiful, matte finish without the cakey look. Key features: Hourglass's Veil Mineral Primer is packed with mineral-based ingredients that help to mattify and minimize the appearance of pores. It's oil-free, lightweight, and contains SPF 15 for added sun protection. The primer has a velvety texture that helps to create a smooth surface for makeup, ensuring it stays in place all day. It's also free from parabens and sulfates, making it a clean choice for those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: The main benefit of the Veil Mineral Primer is its oil-controlling and pore-minimizing properties, making it a perfect match for oily skin. It creates a smooth base for foundation and helps to keep makeup in place for longer hours. To use, apply a small amount to the face before makeup, focusing on areas that need oil control. It's perfect for creating a flawless base that lasts throughout the day. Usability. This primer has a lightweight, silky texture that glides smoothly onto the skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave behind any greasy residue. It's easy to blend, making it ideal for quick makeup application. The primer also works well with a variety of foundation types, enhancing their longevity and performance. It's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. Durability. The Veil Mineral Primer is highly durable, providing long-lasting oil control and ensuring your makeup stays fresh and matte throughout the day. It prevents shine and helps makeup adhere better to the skin, offering a flawless look for hours. If you need a primer that can withstand heat and humidity without compromising on your makeup's appearance, this is the one to reach for. Finding the best primer for oily skin doesn't have to be a hassle anymore. With these 5 top picks, you can control shine, minimize pores, and ensure your makeup stays flawless all day long. No more touch-ups or worrying about your makeup fading. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. We'd love to hear your favorite primers too. Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.